What's the matter? Too much noise they're making? The birds love you. Looks like they're working on the equipment that I complained about. They're finally fixing it. Yay. Throw some more down for them, baby. There you go. Are they your friends, Jordan? Yeah, you're going over that way? Okay. Are they following you? Do they love you? Are you going to give me a piece? Thank you. I threw it down already. It's really bright in the sun with this. That's fun, isn't it, feeding the birds? Yeah. Eagles aren't home this morning. They must be out fishing.